I've moved the other car out of the garage, as you might be able to see. Mustang on an angle, and it looks like I'm about to commit a murder in here. What I need to do, so I've swept the whole floor. I need to wet it down a little bit, and I need to move that fan that you may or may not be able to see over here, kind of as my extraction fan. And then wax and grease remover the car, get to priming, and hopefully, well, my wife's out at a work event, so I'll be able to get it in epoxy primer. I might do 2 coats. I'll probably do 2 coats just in case. And then I'll mix up some high build and get that on the car. I'll let that cure overnight, because then I'm going to block that back in 320 and then spray some paint. So toss on time lapse, and I'm gonna get this cleaned up, that wetted down, get some mixing and sprayed up. Anyway, let's do it. Alright, so I just got the first coat of epoxy primer on. It went, you know, so-so. I did some more research on how to set the gun up, and it definitely worked better this go around. Ended up lowering the pressure a little bit. Let me take my mask off. Jeez, that's why I had it on. Anyway, I'll be quick. So it turned out okay. It was hard reaching some of the roof. I am a bit vertically challenged. Got some pretty significant runs in a couple spots. So what this did, it just kind of ran down the drip rail there. So not a huge deal, but you know, it looks all right. I'm generally pretty happy with how it looks. It is now all one color. It is sealed. I'll put another coat on. I need to let this flash off for another 25 minutes or so, but no, I'm happy with it. A couple little spots, you know, paint a little dry right there, but that's not a big deal. Again, I'm gonna toss another coat on there. So probably don't need to see that. It's gonna be the same as last time. So this is where I'll leave you. Appreciate y'all coming along. Like, comment, subscribe, etc., etc. I'm gonna finish with another coat of epoxy and then toss some high build on there and then get to sanding. If y'all aren't sick of sanding at this point, then there's something wrong with you. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.